Alright, so we're jumping in to have a look at the front bar, which has been previously prepped a bit. So as you can see, it has been done. It's in not too bad a condition really. I mean, it's got some general road rash all across the front here, but I mean, I'm not going to worry too much about that. It's bound to happen again, but otherwise it's in pretty good condition. We'll just get in here and give all this a good clean out again. We'll do a quick run over it, make sure it's fine. If it's any good, we'll just leave it to do all the final preps on later. But we'll chuck but I mean, yeah, we'll fix a bit of this flaky shit up while we're going, sort that out, so that's not too much of a problem for later. A couple of marks here we might do as well, but yeah, so we'll jump into that a bit, we'll have a look and then just go from there. So we're jumping back in the back of the car, having a look at the rear bar. So this from here is all broken in this corner over here, which we're going to flick a repair. It has come apart, but we're going to split these two apart and do most of the work on the two. But we are running a twin exhaust system later on, so we're going to cut this same hole on this side and try to hopefully make it look the same. So we might have to plastic weld in stuff in this corner and here, but we'll check that as we go. But otherwise it's not too bad. This needs a full work over and finish it up, and then onto the rear wheel. So we're jumping on the wing, the rear wing for the boot lid. In this case, she's obviously got a clear coat filter for like everything else does these days. There's a split down this line through here, which we'll have to fiberglass up. And this did have about 3 litres of water in it when we pulled it off the boot lid earlier. So we will get in and finish dismantling it, undercoat it, get in and then do that fiberglass repair, change the seals. I think one of our biggest issues for getting water in the boot is actually these seals right here. Straight out of the factory they're painted over, which makes them absolutely useless. So we're going to rip all these out, get new seals, and hopefully that'll be half our issue sorted there. Get the slide out, make sure it works before we put it back in properly. Yeah. So we've got the rear bar sorted out now and a couple other bits and pieces ready to go. So we're going to move on to dismantling the car and final sandings and more paintings and so on and so forth, and try to get this thing ready to go. And when the game was to get this thing done by Christmas, but with a few things that are coming up, it's probably unfortunately not going to get done. So unfortunately it looks like it's going to get dragged out until next year, but we will endeavour to smash as hard as we can, and hopefully between everything we'll have time to get it done.